case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1888, the New York Court of Appeals heard a compelling case known as Wheelock v. Noonan, a dispute sparked by a recurring trespassing incident. This case underscored the court's doctrine that, in situations where an individual persistently violates the boundaries of another's property, a court could step in to provide relief, particularly if a legal remedy would prove inefficient or overly complex. The discord started when the plaintiff, who was unfamiliar with the defendant, granted the latter a license to temporarily stack rocks on their vacant lots. However, the defendant exploited this permission, exceeding the agreed-upon limit by covering 6 entire lots with rocks without the plaintiff's knowledge. Upon discovering this, the plaintiff promptly requested the defendant to remove the offending rocks, but their pleas went unanswered. This led the lower court to rule that the defendant's inaction constituted a continued trespass, causing harm to the plaintiff. The court then delivered a judgment, setting a deadline for the defendant to remove the rocks from the plaintiff's property. The defendant countered, insisting there was an adequate legal remedy at hand. But the court deemed this argument invalid as it wasn't put forward during the plea. The plaintiff, on the other hand, expressed objections to this defense. The court, decisively holding the defendant accountable for the rock removal, warned of daily lawsuits until the task was completed. The judgment was seen as a just one because the legal remedy would prove complicated and would necessitate multiple lawsuits, thus reaffirming the powerful role of courts in aiding cases of persistent trespassing. Ultimately, the judgment was upheld, with costs.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class